Saya akan discuss soalan daripada revision 1. Okay, without further ado, kita akan start. Okay, let's take a look at part A, 1, question 1. Okay, this is about relation. Okay, relation and function. Okay, so kat sini B dan A. Jadi untuk B dan A, okay, kita kena listkan B, Cartesian product A. So this is ordered pair. So suppose that it is 6A, 6B, 6C. Six A, six B, six C, 7A, 7B, 7C, 8A, 8B, 8C, 9A, 9B. Last one is 9C. Okay, that is BA. Okay, jadi to determine the cardinality of B and A, number of elements of B and A, so you kira daripada sini ada 3, 6, 9, 12 elemen, ataupun dengan cara lain you boleh buat number of elements of B darabkan number of elements of A. So B kita ada 3. Okay, A kita ada 4. Okay, so 3 kali 4, okay, sama jawapan 12. Okay, so define relation on R. Okay, next question. Okay, cari relation R yang that follows the following, the above rules. Okay, jadi kat sini x and y, x plus y is divisible by 2. Jadi R kita hanyalah only selected values from A. Okay, jadinya dia punya elemen dia adalah okay, you kena ambil x, y dia kenalah hasil tambah dia mesti boleh dibagi 2. So 6, 8, 7, 14 bagi 2 kan. Okay, so 7, 9, 8, 6, 8, 8, 9, 7, 9, 9. Okay, so kalau macam 6, 7 dapat 13, tak boleh bagi 2. Okay, so these are all relation on A that satisfy divisible by 2. Okay, so as follows. Okay, this is number 2. This is number 1. Okay, now to check whether it is equivalent relation by using properties of relation, number 3. So equivalence of relation, it must satisfy, it must have reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay. Okay, so please check whether it is reflexive. Okay, so that kalau dia reflexive sebab dia ada elemen 6, 7, 8, 9. So reflexive dia mesti ada 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. So 6, 6, 7, 7, 8 dan 9, 9. Okay, so this is reflexive. Okay, so you kena bagilah reason dia sebab dia minta reason. So reason you kena beritahu semua elemen. Kena ada 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8 dan 9, 9 ni is in R. Reflexive lah, this is reflexive. Okay. So you nak check juga dia adalah symmetric. Okay, symmetric it must follow apa panggil ABBA. Okay, ABBA. So apa yang you boleh check kat sini, ABBA 8, 6, the opposite is 6, 8. Okay, so these are symmetric untuk yang ni. Okay, you kena check yang lain pula. This one is also symmetric. 6, 6 terbalikkan pun dapat 6, 6. 77, 88, 99 ni semua simetrik lah. Okay, so 68 yang ni dan yang ni pula 97, 79 pun ada juga. So dia memenuhi semua syarat. So it is symmetric. Okay, so you boleh cakap reason dia 79 dan 97 is in R. R in R. Okay, dan juga 86, 68 they are also in R. That is symmetric. Okay, now we have to check for transitive. So kalau transitive, okay, so nak check for transitive, you kena check 86, 68 dapat 88. Okay, so okay, dan for this three 9779 dapat 99. Okay, dan jadinya, dan for this one okay, 86, 68 dapat 88. Okay, lepas tu you try pula 7997 dapat 77. Okay, and then you tengok juga 6 ni 68 86 dapat 66. Okay, so you kena consider all possibilities. So make sure adalah yang kita nak tu transitive. Okay, therefore it is also transitive. Kalau ikutkan you kena bagi at least 3. Kalau ikutkan syarat Tuan O kena ada 3 reason baru you dapat markah. Okay, jadi saya rasa satu dah cukup lah kot. Saya rasa satu cukup sebab saya dah bincang dengan Madam Sarimah, satu cukup. Okay, so you boleh tunjuk okay, kalau nak sini tunjuk 3, kita buatlah 3. Okay, so kalau nak tunjuk 3, tunjuk 3. Meaning 68, 86 and 66 are all in R. Okay, lepas tu apa lagi you boleh tunjuk. Contohlah lain you nak buat 77, 79. Okay, kita ambil contoh lain. 79, 97. Okay, sekejap. Okay, 97. Okay, dapat produk 99 dalam R. Okay, and then lastly you buat untuk 8. Okay, 86, 68. Okay, 88 pun ada dalam R. Okay, so nak tahu dia, okay, determine whether it is equivalent relation. So it is equivalent relation. Okay, reason due to it satisfies properties of reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, so that will be the reason. Next part. Okay, draw the directed graph. Okay, so based on R here, so kita buat M, N, and A. So MM, MN, NA, NM, AA, MAN, and also MA. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, Okay, this is the directed graph. Okay, so next you have to find the in degree, out degree and the degree node for M and N. Okay, so you boleh buat tu table. So this one is node M and also N. Okay, in degree. Okay, out degree and also the degree. Okay, M. So in degree you kena buat, okay sorry, you kena check. Okay, so in degree, in so in kat sini ada 2. Okay, 2, out degree ada 1. Tapi usually untuk saya hasilkan yang apa panggil looping saya ada 1 in 1 out. Jadi kita totalkan semua 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total ada 5. Di N pula kat sini ada 2 in, 2 out. 2 in and 2 out. Okay, so 4. So this is the degree for both M and N. Okay, based on the directed graph, next question. Based on the directed graph, determine whether it is reflexive and symmetric. Okay, so untuk reflexive, to determine whether it is reflexive, so this is not reflexive. Not reflexive. Sebab syarat dia, you kena ada MM, NN and also AA. Okay, not reflexive. Okay, sebabnya, you beritahu lah, NN is not in relation R. Kena ada semua elemen ni. Okay, kena ada semua elemen ni, kena ada reflexive tu. Okay, symmetric. This is not reflexive. Not symmetric. Okay, this is sebabnya okay. This is okay, kalau ikutkan yang ni reason dia MA is in R but AM tu yang terbalik dia tak ada kan, not in R. Okay, so kalau you bagi reason macam ni kurang tepat sebabnya this is actually reasoning yang you bagi based on the relation. Sekarang ni dia nak based on the directed graph. Jadi you punya reasoning mesti ikut yang apa panggil syarat untuk apa panggil untuk directed graph. Okay, so you kena beritahu apa, kena ada looping. Kalau refleksif kena ada looping. Okay, and then kalau yang apa panggil symmetric tu, you kena beritahu yang dia mesti ada yang arrow patah balik tu. Itu that will be more precise. Okay, jadinya the correct way. Okay, kalau you beritahu ni kurang tepat lah. Okay, so you kena tukar you punya jawapan tu. So it will be apa, okay, saya padam ni. Okay, kita tahu kan N tu tak ada. Okay, jadi tulis tukar not reflexive sebabnya no looping of N in the graph. Okay, so untuk yang satu lagi ni, okay, so kita tahu yang MA tu ada, tak ada AM kan. Okay, therefore you tulis, you padam. Okay, you beritahu lah that is only arc of MA but not A to M. Okay, so you beritahu lah yang salah satu je yang ada. Tak kisah apa-apa ayat dia, as long as you beritahu yang dia kena wujud dua-dua baru dia symmetric. Okay, jadi ayat-ayat tu terpulang pada you lah. Jadi orang akan faham yang it is actually itulah, dia tak cukup pairing dia tu. Pairing tu maknanya yang opposite tu mesti kena ada. Okay, so that is for number 3. Okay, number 4, to find the size of the graph is actually second last question. This one. Okay, given that this quadratic maps from dia punya domain dia kosong ke infinity, and this is the codomain. Codomain is all real number. Okay, sketch the graph. Okay, kalau you sketch the graph, okay, what we expect is that dia punya bentuk dia must be parabola. Okay, and then at least you know where is the minimum point and where is the cutting point of any x-intercept or y-intercept. Okay, jadi whenever you want to sketch the graph, you kena tengok juga dia punya domain dia. Okay, so that you know that benda tu dia apa namanya, graph tu betul lah, sebab nanti dia akan tanya whether it is one to one ataupun nanti on to. Okay, jadinya untuk ni, kalau dia kata from 0 to infinity, okay, 0 to infinity dia punya domain dia. So 0 to infinity is from here, kita tengok pada domain tu paksi x lah usually. Okay, so from here to this one, infinity. Okay, so you kena tengok lah kosong to infinity, jadi dia punya graph tu kalau ikutkan quadratic memang macam ni, tapi sebab dia nak cari yang from 0 to infinity, so you kena padam yang to the left of 0 tu. Okay, to the left of 0 you kena padam. Padam dan abaikan. Okay, so suppose that dia ada ni je. Okay, so this is the correct graph based on the domain. Okay, and R. Okay, so bila dah sketch ni lah. Okay, now to find the range. Okay, range you akan tengok pada paksi Y. Okay, paksi Y tu yang ni lah. Sorry, okay. This one, paksi Y kita. Okay, kita akan tengok yang ni, paksi Y. Okay, jadinya paksi Y kalau dia kata R, apa panggil, okay, atas ni dia kata domain and codomain. R is the codomain tu maknanya semua paksi Y bila dia kata R tu lah. Okay, so semua. Tapi sebab nak cari range is only on the image, apa yang dilukis saja. Okay, jadi apa yang nampak, dia start daripada sini kan, minimum 0 up to berapa, sampai ke atas kan. Jadinya dia punya the range is not R, the range is okay, this is number question A. This is question A. This is question A. Question B, nak cari range of the function. Okay, range of the function yang image sahaja, yang ada image pada paksi Y. Okay, so range is from berapa, 0 dan ke atas kan, dan ke atas. Okay, so daripada 0 sampai positive infinity, so that is the range. Okay, and then is this one-to-one function? Okay, one-to-one function, you make sure one object, one image. Okay, so this is actually not one-to-one. Okay, not one-to-one. This is not one-to-one. Okay, satu. Dia ada dua reason yang you boleh justify. So you cakap lah one image for only one object. Kita satu, and another one you boleh cakap using the horizontal line test. Using okay, ni reason dia kenapa not one to one, using the horizontal line test. Okay, the function cuts at two different points. Cuts at two different points. Okay, so macam mana? Mana yang dia katakan two different points? Okay, kalau kat atas ni, kalau you test horizontal line is this one. So this one cuts at one point. This one cuts at 1 point. Tapi start from here, dia cuts at 2 point. This one also 2 point. So not a one-to-one function. Okay, so this is not one-to-one function. Okay, is this onto? This is not onto. Not onto. Reason, the range is not equals to the codomain. Codomain of the function. Range tak sama dengan codomain lah. Okay, itu saja, itu pun boleh. Okay, so that is untuk graph ni. Okay, next kita akan tengok yang mana. Kita tengok yang evaluate. Okay, evaluate this value. Okay, this one yang ni you kena buat satu-satu lah. Okay, this one kalau you kira 10.3 tolak dengan 1.52. So this one is 8.78. Okay, bila truncated, maknanya you eliminate all the decimal. So this is 49. Okay, so yang ni yang ni 6.4 tolak 3.5. Okay, so this one is negative 10.1. Okay, tolak. Okay, so yang ni negatif 2.45 kuasa 2. So 2.45 kuasa 2. You ke 2.45 kuasa 2 tu, you kena yang ceiling function dulu, baru you square. Okay, so 2.45 ni you square kan lah. So okay, so yang ni kita boleh tukarkan negatif 2.45 tu jadi negatif 2 kuasa 2 lah. Law function ceiling function. Okay, saya terus tukar untuk yang ni. Okay, ceiling function this one is negative 2 power 2. Okay, so kat sini you buat 9 plus 7. Ceiling function 8.789. Okay, yang ni adalah negative 11 minus 4. This one minus, ini negative 2 kuasa 2 dapat 4. Okay, so ni total dia akan dapat negatif 16, negatif 15. Okay, last question. November 2015. Okay, so this is 3x minus 2, but you have to be careful. This one is not R. The domain is not R, and also dia punya codomain is not R. This is Z positive. Okay, jadi bila Z positive, you have to consider macam 1, 2, 3 dan seterusnya lah. Okay. So Z positive is these are the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, yang point-point tu decimal lah kan. Okay, and then pecahan semua tak consider sebab itu yang point and decimal tu is only R. Okay, so determine whether it is a function So function ke tak? Okay, so this is a function. Explain why. Yes. Okay, so syarat dia mesti apa panggil every one element mapping to one image, and then none of the object is apa panggil all the domain is considered under consideration. Okay, so this is a function. Okay, now next one, number 2, domain. Domain dia apa? You just look at here, Z plus. Okay, range. Okay, range pun sama juga. Bila kata Z plus tu, you kena kira start daripada 1, 2, 3, 4 dan seterusnya. Okay, dia punya graph dia kena dot. Dia bukannya straight line terus macam tu. Tak. Sebab this one is, you punya mapping dia adalah integer positif saja. Okay, jadinya baik tu dia dot 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 macam tu lah. Okay, so kat sini dia minta draw tak ada kan. So dia minta you find the range, domain and range. Okay, so the range will be also Z positive. Sebabnya kalau Z positive ke? This one Z positive. This one is no. Bukan. Kalau you check, semua Z positif ke? Tak. Dia ada missing out beberapa positive value sebabnya Z tu adalah 1, 2, 3 dan semua. Tapi bila you buat mapping ni, you nampak bukan semua kan. Dia ada berapa ni? 1, 4, 6. So dia pada certain number saja. Pada certain number saja. Jadi this is apa? The range is not Z positive. Okay, so dia punya tu you boleh cakap dia apa? You boleh listkan lah dia punya tu apa panggil range dia. Okay, range dia from positive number, memang positive number. 1, 4, 6, 10 and so on. Okay, range. Okay, is this one-to-one function? Yes. Okay, you beritahu lah. Using the horizontal line test, it cuts at 1 point only. Okay, is this one-to-one function? Is this onto function? Not onto. Not onto. Reason? Not onto. Reason. The range is not equals to the codomain. The range here is apa panggil 1, 4, 6, 10 and so on. But the codomain is all the in positive integer. Okay, so this is not onto. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.